Oh, yeah, yeah. Did they spray it and get it wet, too? Did they get water in your eyes? Okay. Did they have you sit in a car? Did you go down a slide? Did you climb up a slide? Okay. Did you get worn out? Was it a good time? What about the girls? Were they pretty cool? You like the girls? Yeah, the girls, yeah. Do the girls have long hair? Did they like your hair? Yeah. Did they have barrettes in their hair? Oh, yeah. Did they go down the slide too? Just had a good old time, didn't you, huh? What happened to your shoe? Oh, you throw it? Okay. Did you think it was going to drive out the window?
It kind of did.
It didn't do what you thought it was going to do? What was that about? Because it was a shoe and not a car? Yeah, I know. Just because it has Lightning McQueen, it's not a car. And what else did you do? Really? With Ryan? With him? Yeah, okay. And your mom too? Nuh-uh. Okay. And a haircut? Were you a good boy when you got your haircut? No.
Oh, thank you. You drove me to this.
Do you want a banana? It's right here. You have to take it right here. Yeah, you gotta hold it. Here. No? It's open. See? Good job! Yay! Good job. You want a bite? Were you riding the chugga 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 chugga?